Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another tech update. So as you can see guys, two rugged phones are going to be released by Ulefone very soon. They are called the Armor 17 Pro and the Power Armor 18T, and according to what I'm seeing here, both devices will be launching on the 1st of November, and Ulefone called both devices the best flagship rugged phones of 2022. I think they are right, because you see, these two rugged phones, according to the key, or should I say the top specs listed here, are going to be or might be the best flagship rugged phones of 2022. According to the specs listed here, it seems both devices would have a 108 megapixel camera. Both devices might also have a 120 Hz display. Now, there is no rugged phone. Okay, there is no rugged phone that has up to 120 Hz display. In fact, there are few smartphones in the entire world, just few smartphones in the entire world that have up to 120 Hz display. Just few, guys. Both devices would also support 66 watts super fast charging, just like the Doji V11. Both devices would have a night vision camera and a thermal imaging camera. There are many rugged phones with a night vision and thermal imaging cameras, okay? So there's nothing new about that. But both devices would have up to 12 GB RAM, guys. 12 GB RAM. There is no rugged phone, and there are few smartphones in the world with up to 12 GB RAM. I know there are many smartphones with 256 GB internal storage, but 12 GB RAM, there are few smartphones in the world with 12 GB RAM. There is no rugged phone that I know that has 12 GB RAM. With these specs, these devices, in my opinion, might be the best flagship rugged phones of 2022, truly. The Armor 17 Pro and the Power Armor 18T. On the left hand side is the Armor 17 Pro, on the right side is the Power Armor 18T. These are Ulefone's upcoming flagship rugged phones, and yes, they are starting to look amazing. I love what I'm seeing, guys. I truly love it. A 120 Hz display. I wasn't expecting any rugged phone to have a 120 Hz display, at least this year, because this year is almost, over. The design of the Armor 17 Pro is, it looks really nice, guys. While the design of the Armor 18T looks nice, but it looks more rugged. It's designed like a rugged phone. The Armor 17 Pro looks more stylish, but it's also a rugged phone. And I think one of the differences of both devices would be the processor. The Armor 17 Pro, in my opinion, would have a much more powerful processor, but I'm just speculating, guys. I don't know if that's going to be the case. What are your thoughts about these two new phones, these two upcoming phones from Ulefone? What do you think about them? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.